Welcome to Arden. The Wolf team is so excited to show you around. Dubbed the Agri-hood, this community is centered around a 5-acre working farm and event space where residents can receive a monthly crop share and learn about gardening. This community also has 2 lakes where you'll often find your neighbors roaming around, kayaking, and even catching a fish or 2. There's also a massive clubhouse with 2 pools, a fitness center, and additional event spaces. The community is loaded with walking trails and play spaces. They host regular events and activities that bring neighbors together, such as block parties, movie nights, and fitness classes. Their homes are designed by some of the nation's top home builders. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this fresh, vibrant community. If you could see yourself living here or would like more details on the various home plans, the Wolf team would love to be a resource for you.